Nhà đang đánh nhau bay lượn lượn về hỏi khóc nào đó anh biết.
Our griffin? Yeah, they're under us, two of them.
Is he gonna survive those rockets?
He's by your griffin sick. He grappled. Up to your
Fluss,
mouth.
ich kann dir
Fuck,
keine
I can't get
wir haben ja keine Kryo.
Ja, dann zieh hinter dir.
Nein, warum?
Dude, I shot him with 2 bazooka.
Lightning Wyvern's not dead yet. It's almost dead though.
It's getting attacked by.
Oh, by aloes. I'm getting attacked too by.
It's almost
Fuck,
dead.
fuck,
Just
fuck,
beat the
fuck,
shit out of
fuck,
it. It's so close.
Nice.
Thank you.
Now we just.
For
need to
your
kill the
stuff
guy.
too.
They are on the ground, 2 of them. They're getting attacked by aloe too.
Okay, find him. I gotta get
They're
Stam.
attacked by aloe.
Just keep diving them, but don't try to grab. You will die.
Not dead. 3rd fucking swipe.
The thing is, like, their armor didn't even break.
One of them has broken armor.
You see them? Because I don't.
Yeah, one of them has broken armor.
Oh.
And he's not dying. 8 swipe.
I still don't see him.
I see you, motherfucker.
Oh, okay, that's
He
weird.
has no more armor. No more armor, guys.
Got it. I still don't see him.
I think
But I
he's
see
dead.
where you're-
Yeah, I think he's dead.
No, he's
No,
running
he's not.
around. He's running around.
Try to grab me.
He's in the cave, so to say. We're chased by the aloe.
Oh, okay. I see where the aloes are. Okay. You got any more rockets?
He has a shotgun.
Yeah.
Don't
Oh
get
my
close.
god, there is
What
a
the fuck?
fucking phobia.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I
said
have
that,
a
I
pop.
I didn't saw you.
If you
Then,
take
yeah, nothing.
compound bow with the flame arrow, you can destroy the generator. But
No, we don't need to do that. Just take the fucking golem.
Yeah.
And smack it.
Smoke.
Okay, so let me find that. Oh, do we have any golems in Oh, I do. 1 second.
I'm gonna heal my griffin a little bit because they were shooting them.
Gonna take a compound bow maybe and just compound bow the generator. What do you think?
Wait, no.
That's what I said just now.
Do you listen?
Sick, you're so.
I was not so
You
sorry. I
are
was
the
not listening.
typical.
No.
Not
the
Italian.
men the women complain about. I say
Oh
something,
my God,
you
come
repeat
on.
it. You repeat exactly what I said.
I'm sorry if I did that.